Hello everyone, welcome to INS Creation Ltd, your go-to place for creative design tips and tutorials. If you are passionate about graphic design or just starting out, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to design an eye-catchy social media post using Canva, a free and easy-to-use tool that makes professional design accessible to everyone. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to improve your design skill, this tutorial will help you to create stunning visuals in just few simple steps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out our latest content. Now let's dive into the Canva and start designing. After take a page for a social media post, go to the element and let's search for a floating island. Let's take this picture and remove the background from the BG remover. And let's paste the picture. Now adjust the Iceland and the home picture together. Let's go to the element again. Let's keep it and adjust it. Go to the element and search for shadow. Let's take it and adjust it like this under the home. Press Alt and copy the shadow and adjust it here. Press Alt and copy the Iceland and make it behind. Keep the copied Iceland behind the all of this, and now group all of this. Now let's give a page color, give it a gradient. Change the gradient shades. Keep this shade and now adjust all of this in middle, and from the element search for a shadow. Take this shadow and place it under the Iceland and keep the transparency low. Now take a text box and type the text. Edit the text, change the font style. Decrease the font size. Change the color of the middle text and go to the effect and give it a border, outline border also give the outline border in black of other text. Now go to the element and search for clouds. Adjust the clouds. Let's take 3 different type of clouds. Adjust the clouds where it's need and keep the transparency low little bit. Let's change the background color, make it little bit lighter. Now go to the element and search for a real estate logo. Let's take this or take a text box, type the company name, change the font style, change the color to, keep the color in black or no white, and then go to the element again. Let's change the logo, change the color in white. Adjust the logo and the text together. Now go to the element and search for flying birds. Take the small icons of bird. Adjust it here and take this and adjust it behind the house. Select all of this and make all of this a smaller little bit. Adjust it on the middle. Now take a text box and type the text. Take a rectangle shape from the elements and adjust it behind the text. Give the rectangle shape a color in gradient. this color and keep the transparency low. Now adjust the text, change the color in white, give the shape a border. Now go to the element and search for a phone icon. Let's take this icon and take a text box and type the phone number. Now go to the element and search for a wave icon too and adjust it like the phone icons. Change the color in white. Take a text box, type the web address. Adjust all the items. Adjust all of this. So here it is, a social media post for a real estate agency. If you need this kind of design or any other custom social media post you need, or any other design need you have, like logo design, flyer design, trifold brochure, bifold brochure, annual report card, or a magazine design, you can contact with us. Our contact details in attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creation Ltd.